welcome back to BiharGeeks. So today we are going to solve a very interesting problem, that is maximum product subarray. Okay, so the problem statement here says that we have given an array and we have to find a subarray which will return us a product that will be the maximum. Okay, so in this example, as you see that if we are going forward 2 and after that 3, we will get a maximum value of 6. Otherwise, if we are moving again, so the 4 is not coming exactly next to the 3. That's why we are taking only 2 and 3 and we are getting the maximum product as 6. So same as for this case, if we are moving forward, we will get a minus 2. Okay, and again if we are moving forward, if we are doing the product of this, we will get a 0 only. So we will get a maximum value that will be only 0 for each cases. Okay, so let's get started and we will solve this problem using the concept DP. Okay, so let's start. First we just keep the length of the array and okay. Now we will use two basically arrays here. One is for store the maximum product, okay, and next will be the minimum product. It is used to store. So we'll keep two DPs here. One DP will be storing the max, new int, and inside it of size. And same we will keep one more that will having the minimum value inside it, and both will be an array only. Okay, and I forgot to put a bracket, square bracket here. Fine. See. We have to do it here. Fine. After that, we have to put the base conditions. So we will have a DP max that will be equal to nums 0 only. Next, we will keep same for the minimum case. Here also it will be 0 index. Okay, and we'll keep one variable for the result. Okay, and that result itself will have 0th index only. Okay, and let's start the loop from first index instead of 0. I equal to greater than n, which we have already taken out in the step 1. Now we will have three possibilities here. Like first we will have a nums, okay, I. Second will be have we will have a nums multiply by the previous max value, and third will be the whatever the value we have, and we will multiply with the minimum value. First is the value itself, second will be the maximum, and third will be the minimum. Okay, so we have to do it for the three possibilities, and we will use the math maximum for that value take out. Okay, so dp min, okay, we'll have I inside it, and that will equal to math dot min. Okay, and inside this nums I first value, second will be the math dot min, and inside this we have to take it nums I, that will be going to multiply by the dp max I minus 1. We are doing the subtraction with first and second. I minus 1. Okay, and then comma, with there is one more value that will be nums I, that will be multiplied by dp min, and inside this I minus 1. Okay, and same step we have to do for the dp max, and keep max. Okay, and instead of doing min everywhere we have to keep it max, because we are keeping maximum value from here. Max, max, max. I think it's fine now. Now finally we will have a result. So from the result we'll keep the maximum value. Okay, so that will be getting from math dot max, and inside this will pass the result and the dp maximum value which we have calculated. Fine. And lastly we will just simply return what, the result which we have calculated. Let me run this. Okay, it's got accepted. Let me submit this. Fine, it's got submitted also. So if we talk about the time complexity here, that is O of n only, because single pass through the array we are doing. Okay, that we are doing here. And secondly, the space complexity, that will O of n only. Okay, O of n only because of this max and minimum which we are doing it here. We can optimize it, but okay. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.